So this is just do it, the to-do manager we designed. Let's start using it. First, let's add an event. So I type add. As you can see, like it gives the various formats in which you can add an event. We have basically done this to we have given the numerous formats so that it's more user friendly, and it shows all this so that, like, in case the user forgets the command, he can refer to it. Let's try adding add. We follow the last format, as we can see. Let's add. So all details have been successfully added, and the event for this month has been updated. So has the upcoming reminders been. Let's try add 2020 lecture 10/11/2011. Oh, we can add the time also, but we are choosing not to. NUS and no reminder. So the reminder is missing. Other details successfully added, and it's been updated over here also. Now let's try add 2020 lecture. It's also been added. Another feature of our product is we can go to a date directly and add. As you can see now, there's no event on this date. Now we just do add CS2103 project, and it will be added. We can go to the date and see it's been added. Now let's try deleting. For all the commands, this window will pop up to guide the user. Let's try deleting by event name. So 2020 lecture. As we had added two 2020 lectures, so both of them pop up and duplicates found. This is a problem. So how do we solve it? Our software has a solution for that also. So we delete by index. So we delete 2 and it's been deleted. Now let's try editing. Edit CS2103 meeting. We want to edit the venue. Let's make it NUS. So it will become, as you can see here, it becomes NUS from PGP. Let's try displaying all the events we have added till now. So you can see all the events are being displayed. Just to note, CS 2103, the 2020 lecture has event index 2. Suppose I search for 2020 lecture now. In the search, its index is different. So these two are dealing with two different indexes. It's not linked. Now let's try searching for CS2103 meeting. So its event index is 1. Now our application has also has a solution if you don't know where the location is properly. So you just give map and the event index, and it will take you to Google Maps, where you can easily locate where you have to go. Now let's try okay. Now another is we have various kinds of display. By the way, we have display today, tomorrow, month, for example displayed tomorrow, so it will show the events for tomorrow. Another is to guide the user is help. Help dialog box will pop up, which he can refer to anytime he wants any kind of help regarding the command line, the format. And to minimize, we can use the command min, and to maximize from the taskbar we can just click on it and maximize, and to exit we can just type the command exit and come out of it. So basically that. Thank you.